Machine power just got personal with Unitree's new AIS-2 robot dog sprinting at 11 miles per hour. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, February 28th, 2026. Unitree's 2 is no ordinary robot dog. This beast hauls heavy gear, climbs stairs, and races up to 11 miles per hour, all while braving harsh weather. Designed for inspection, deliveries, and emergency rescue, it's the toughest four-legged AI companion in the field. Honor jumps into humanoid robots with a home and retail helper unveiled at MWC 2026. It pairs with the new robot phone to extend AI across your living space, blending mobile tech and robotics for smarter everyday aid. Alphabet pulls its robotics startup Intrinsic back under Google's wing to power up with DeepMind AI and cloud muscle. This no-code platform aims to revolutionize manufacturing and logistics automation, taking the fight to Amazon and Tesla. Japan's Buddharoid is an AI priest trained on Buddhist texts offering spiritual guidance. Bowing, praying, and handing out advice on relationships and society, it tackles culture preservation amid a shrinking population. BMW's factory in Leipzig will soon use humanoid robots to slash labor costs and boost productivity. This marks a big leap as traditional manufacturing embraces AI and robotics integration in 2026. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about which robot impresses you most. In the comments, give this video a like and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute.